Hello guys, welcome to Austin Global. All right, today what we'll be looking at how you can make your toning oil or whitening oil at home organically. All right, so there are many ways you can use extract, and you can use premixing, but let's do extract. All right, so it's organically. However, you can use any of the oils, you can use any of the fruits. All right, but we'll be using carrot and almond oil today. So let's dive into it. A quick one: if you want to make a whitening or toning oil and you're using carrot, first of all you gather your all your materials that you want to use. So now you bring your carrot, a very good and fresh carrot. You bring your carrot, all right, then also you bring your oil, and also you bring your pot, your gas. Keep them intact. All right, so now the carrot, what do? First of all, you wash the carrot. After washing it, you scrape the back. Make sure you scrape the back. After scraping the back, you rinse it again. Then you take your grater and grate inside a bowl. You grate the carrot inside a bowl. After grating it, okay, let's say about you're making about 5 pieces of carrot. You grate them. After grating them inside a bowl, a dry bowl, then you bring your gas, you light your gas. After lighting your gas, you reduce the flame of the gas. Make sure you reduce the flame of the gas to about let's say 0. I don't know, just make sure it has this a blue flame, all right, instead of that yellow flame. Let it have a very blue flame, so that is to say you've reduced it properly. All right, then you put your pot and you put the almond oil inside the pot. You can use any of the oil. You can use coconut oil, you can use PKO oil. All right, what we're just doing, just to extract the content of the carrot inside the oil. So after putting the oil inside, then you make sure you put your carrot inside and cover it, or you can decide to open it whichever way, but make sure it heats. When it heats, I prefer you covering it. You heat, make sure it will heat for 10 to 15 minutes. When it heats, then through that process, the carrot, the oil has already extracted the carrot, the content of the carrot, which are the nutrients, and extract everything into the oil. So it's a blend, it's a typical blend. All right, so now I'll still talk about the benefit anyway. So after extracting the carrot, after extracting the content of the carrot, then you sieve it. But before then, this is it. So people would want to keep it calm, leave it for about 1 day or 2 days, or some people, but there's no need of you leaving it 2 days again. All right, just leave it for just about 20 minutes, let it calm, then you sieve it. How do you sieve it? You take a piece of net that is that is a fita. All right, yes, a piece of net. That some people use cloth, a very neat cloth. You can use a white knit cloth that have holes, then you turn your carrot and the oil inside, okay, then you squeeze properly. After squeezing, then you see that the oil has already extracted inside the bowl, or anyway, if it's a glass cup that you're using. Then the shaft, what do you do with them? Do you throw them off? Don't throw them off. You can use the shaft to make a mulatto soap, or you can use the shaft to make a black soap. You can use the shaft to make any kind of product for yourself again. All right, I will still lighten you, but it's gradual process. Okay, let's dive into it. Let's still go furthermore. Now, this oil that you've used, now you can be using it morning and night, and you will see a perfect result. You will see a perfect result. All right, so long, all you need to do, just give yourself a good scrub. Make sure you give yourself a good scrub. Good after scrubbing, then not every day scrubbing, just once in a week or once in 2 weeks. All right, then you start using this product morning and night. No matter how difficult your skin is, it will definitely work. Do not put powders. I do not ask to put powders. Do not put any other additives. This is what you just need to do. All right, so above that, we've almost come to the end of the video. So now let me tell you the benefit of this product that you've just made. Now, do you know that carrot is still a healing product, in as much as a lightening product? It's a healing product. Now you have extracted all the nutrients inside the oil. As you're using the oil, it will be a healing product for those of us that have rough skin. It will smooth our skin, because the almond oil is a moisturizing product, so it will smooth our skin. The dead cell, it will cleanse the dead cell off. Then the few good cells that are left, it will multiply them. So it's a healing product. All right, so for those of you that who want to make this, you can do it on your own self. But if you know you can do it, you want another person can do it for you, they can do it for you. You can tell us to do it, we can do it for you. All right, these are natural product. These are natural product. All right, this is what I have seen that they do in as far to Thailand. All right, these are what they do. All right, except it's premixing oil. If you need like 10 days, 5 days whitening oils, we have all those ones, but this one is organic and it will work. So you're watching Austin Global. Do not forget to subscribe, like, also click on the notification button, share this video. Bye bye.